Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cardboard house using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need some sturdy cardboard, a good pair of scissors or a craft knife, and strong adhesive like hot glue or craft glue. Choosing the right cardboard is key for a durable and stable structure, so pick something robust. Always ensure you have a safe cutting surface and adult supervision if you are younger or using sharp tools. Now, let's start cutting the main components for our house. Begin by cutting a large rectangular piece of cardboard to form the base. This will be the foundation. Next, you'll need to cut 4 wall pieces. A good size is about 10 inches tall by 8 inches wide for each wall. Finally, cut 2 triangular pieces. These will be the gable supports for your roof, giving it that classic house shape. Precision here helps with assembly. With your pieces cut, it's time for assembly. First, securely glue the 4 wall pieces upright onto your base, forming the main box shape. Make sure they are straight and firmly attached. Next, attach the 2 triangular gable supports to the top edges of the front and back walls. These will provide the pitch for your roof. Finally, cut 2 rectangular roof panels, each approximately 12 inches long by 8 inches wide, ready to be placed. Now for the fun part, adding details and decorating your new cardboard home. Carefully cut out openings for windows and a door on your walls. You can make them any shape you like. Then, let your creativity shine. Use paint, markers, or even colored paper to decorate the exterior. Add small, personal touches like tiny curtains, a mailbox, or even a little garden made from green paper. This makes your house truly unique and special.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.